Welcome back. Happy Wednesday. Let's begin the weather forecast with a special weather statement in Fort Nelson, with winds going from 60 kilometers per hour and gusts at 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. That's twice as fast as the wind that we had today in Dawson Creek. So the wind today in Dawson Creek traveled west-northwest at 30 kilometers per hour with gusts at 45 kilometers per hour. We saw the sunrise at 7:32 a.m. this morning. The sunset tonight will be at 6:01 p.m. and the pressure today was 100.8 kPa. Now the temperatures in Dawson Creek, we stayed in the mid-10s today at 16 degrees. Chetwynd was also 16 degrees. Again, we're pretty close to the record high of 1986. Fort St. John, exactly the same temperatures at 16 degrees as well. And guess what? Fort Nelson, the high is also 16 degrees there today. Now let's take a look at the regional forecasts. In Grand Prairie, temperatures are expected to reach 11 degrees tomorrow. There is going to be a mix of sun and cloud there. There's going to be some rain in Spirit River tomorrow, but the same temperatures in Grand Prairie, 11 degrees there. Now Chetwynd, the high is 13 degrees tomorrow, again with a chance of precipitation. There is going to be some rain and cooler temperatures in both Fort Nelson and Tumbler Ridge. Fort Nelson, the high will be 6, and Tumbler Ridge, the high will be 7. Then in Hudson's Hope, the high will be 12 degrees tomorrow, and again, a chance of precipitation there. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Fort St. John. The low tonight is 3 degrees. Again, there's going to be some clouds. Then on Thursday, a high of 11 degrees with a 40% chance of showers. Then on Friday, it's going to be sunny. The high is 10 degrees. Then the temperatures are going to get progressively cooler over the weekend. Saturday, the high is 9 degrees with some clouds, mostly sunny though. And then on Sunday, there is a 60% chance of showers and 40% chance of flurries at night. That's why the low is expected to be minus 4 that day. Now let's take a look at the 5-day forecast for Dawson Creek tonight. It's going to be pretty cool. The low is going to be minus 1 degrees, sorry, but it's going to be pretty clear. On Thursday, a high of 13 degrees, and again, a 30% chance of showers. Friday, a high of 10 degrees, sunny conditions there. And then a high of 9 degrees on Saturday with a mix of sun and cloud. And similar to Fort St. John, we also have a 60% chance of showers on Sunday with a 40% chance of flurries at night. And the high is 4 degrees, the low, minus 4 degrees there. Now let's take a look at the province of BC and Alberta. Pretty warm in Calgary at 15 degrees with sunny conditions. Same thing for the temperatures in Edmonton. There's going to be more clouds though. Now Prince George is expected to reach 9 degrees tomorrow with some showers. Prince Rupert, 2 degrees higher. Again, showers there. And then Vancouver, the high will be 13 degrees with a mix of sun and cloud. Now let's take a look at the national forecast, and I'll be right back with sports after the break.